Now let us learn about the layout of thermal power plant. So this is a layout of thermal power plant. So thermal is nothing but heat. By utilizing the heat, we just convert the water into superheated steam, and then with the help of turbine, the superheated steam gets mechanical energy, with coupled with generator produces electrical energy. So in this thermal power plant, the main part of the system is this boiler. So boiler is the heart of the system for this thermal power plant. So here in this thermal power plant, the circuit is divided into 4. So here for this boiler, we feed water with the help of boiler tubes. So boiler which contains water. So the water gets superheated with the help of fuel as coal. So here the coal is used as the fuel in order to get steam. So before feed coal to this boiler, the coal has to be pulverized and then it is stored, and then with the help of coal handling system, the coal is fed to the boiler chamber. And due to the combustion of boiler, the ash will be disposed. So with the help of ash handling system, the ash is removed from the boiler. So boiler which contains presence of water, which is converted to superheated steam with the help of fuel. So here from this boiler, the superheated steam which is given to this steam turbine. So the steam turbine gets superheated steam, and then it is converted into mechanical. So the heat presence in the superheated steam gets converted into mechanical energy with the help of this steam turbine. The steam turbine, which is coupled with the generator, produces the mechanical energy to electrical output. So for this boiler, the 3 inputs have to be given. The first one is we have to provide water to this boiler, and in order to combustion we need presence of air. So from this atmospheric air, the air has to be filtered and then preheat. The preheated hot air is given to this boiler. So the air is filtered by air preheater, and then it is fed to this boiler. So for this boiler, we have to give fuel as coal. At the same time, we have to give water with the help of economizer tubes, and then the air has to be present in order to make combustion of this fuel. So from the atmospheric air, the air is first filtered and then it is preheated, and then the preheated hot air is given to this boiler. So from the boiler, the only one output is superheated steam. So here from this boiler, the water gets heated and then the superheated steam is produced. The superheated steam which is then given to the steam turbine. The steam turbine which having a blades. So when the superheated steam stitches the steam turbine, it produces, the steam turbine gets rotated and it converts the heat energy into mechanical energy. So from the steam turbine, the mechanical energy is given to this generator which produces electrical energy. And from the steam turbine, the exhaust steam is then condensed. So the condenser which condenses the steam into water. The condenser, with the help of this cooling tower, the hot steam gets cooled. So from this condenser, the hot water is fed to the cooling tower. From the cooling tower, the cooling water is pumped with the help of pump, and then it is passed to this steam turbine. So here the condenser process, the water gets condensed and then it is given to the heater. So the heater pressure which having high pressure and low pressure, in order to provide steam to the boiler, we have to maintain the pressure and temperature. So here the economizer, so from the high pressure water, the economizer which preheats this water and then fed to this superheater. From the superheater boiler, the exhaust gases are produced. So with the help of this exhaust gas, the water gets heated, and also at the same time the air also gets heated, and the flue gases from this boiler which is fed to the chimney. So this is the general layout of power plant. The overall the working principle is the coal is given to this boiler. The boiler is taking a fuel as coal. The boiler which having water, with the help of this fuel and the air, presence of air, it produces superheated steam. This superheated steam is fed to the steam turbine, which converts the heat energy into mechanical energy. So with the help of generator, the mechanical energy produces electrical energy for the other purpose. So at the same time, from the boiler, the ashes gets disposed, and then it is disposed with the help of handling system, and the ash storages can be used for the further cement manufacture processes. So then from the steam turbine, the exhaust steam is also gets condensed with the help of water, and then which for maintaining the pressure and temperature, we use these low pressure heater and high pressure heater, and in order to maintain the pressure level and temperature, and is then fed to the economizer through feed pump. So from the economizer, the water gets superheated, which is fed to the superheater. At the same time, the flue gases from the boiler gets heated. From the hot air and water, the flue gases will be exhausted through this chimney. So these are the four main circuits of thermal power plant. The first circuit is coal and ash circuit, and the second one is air and flue gas circuit. Third one is feed water and steam flow circuit, and fourth one is cooling water circuit. The first main circuit having coal and ash. Here from the coal and ash circuit, the coal is used as a fuel to the boiler. So from the boiler, the ash will be produced, which is separated by the ash handling system, and the coal is handled with the help of coal handling system. Then second main circuit is air and flue gas circuit. So here air and flue gas circuit is nothing but here from the atmospheric air, or by using the IDFD fans, the air is filtered and then preheated. From the preheated hot air, which is given to the boiler, and flue gases. So from the boiler, the exhaust flue gases which is produced, and then it is passed to this chimney. Then third main circuit is feed water and steam flow circuit. So here feed water and steam flow circuit, the exhaust steam from the steam turbine is condensed with the help of cooling waters, and then the condensed steam is passed to the low pressure high pressure heater, and in order to maintain the pressure and temperature, and then it fed to the economizer. And the last one is cooling water circuit. So maximum the thermal power plant we need main source is water. So in adequate of water we need. So we have to maintain thermal power plant with the help of this coal. With the help of a river or lake near to this lake. So from this cooling tower, the water is recycled for this thermal power plant. So these are the four main circuits of thermal power plants. So the advantages of thermal power plant is the plant location. The location of the plant has to be in near the river or lake. So the second advantages is construction and commissioning. Power generation is high compared to other kinds of electricity power generations. So here the coal is used as a fuel, which is low cost, it is less space and initial cost. The disadvantages of this thermal power plant is the fuel consumptions, and the efficiency is little bit lower than the hydel. The life of this power plant is low, and the pollutions, because of flue gases exhaust from this boiler, the air pollutions will be affected. Then the transportation costs is large. So in order to handle the coal and transport to the nearby hand plant, so transportation charges are so high. Then the power generation cost is high. Thank you.